Okay, here's a synthetic dragon update. Today is November 29th, 2021. Today's Monday, but on Friday, it was Black Friday, and the market went down, well, the S&P or SPY went down $10. So the SPX was down, I don't know, 110 points. Pretty significant move for a one-day move. So how did the system hold up? You can see here's my net lick, fully transparent here. You're not going to see that anywhere else. I have not made any adjustments today. The last adjustment I made, it was last week sometime, a few days before what I would call like a little mini crash. So I've made two adjustments this month, one like in the first of the month and one towards the middle, towards the end of the month. Haven't touched this thing since. Just come in and look at my account and you can see it's up over $3,000 today, or around $3,000. And the market's up significantly, so it went down to, just over 2% the last trading day, and then today it's up 1.5%. A lot of volatility. I didn't make any adjustments. The account, the way that this system works, it did go down with the initial down leg, so I was down about 3%, but I knew it didn't matter what happened after that. So that initial down leg, this system will go down with the market, but then it will recover right away, regardless of what the market does after that. The market could continue down, this will make money. The market could go sideways, this will make money. It can go back up like it has, and you can see that this system will make money. Now, if you're noticing my overall year-to-date P&L, again, this account hasn't been in effect for a full year. It's only been in effect for a few months. I had this account over at Interactive Brokers. I brought it over here a few months ago. The entire portfolio is so simple to manage. All I do is twice a week, I ask myself 6 questions. Or if the market's crashing, I'll ask 7 questions on a daily basis. Even if the portfolio requires an adjustment and I can't get to it for a day or so, it's no big deal. If I'm busy, all I really need to do is check the market to see if it's crashing. If it's not, I just do whatever I want. I could easily work a full-time job, or take the day off, or work on my YouTube reviews, or just whatever I'd like to do, and my synthetic dragon portfolio just makes money. Also, I am proactively protected from a market crash with my system. In fact, the portfolio is set up to profit in any market environment. When someone makes a claim like I just did, do not believe them unless they share their entire portfolio P&L and they include their daily drawdowns. Remember, risk-adjusted returns are important, so if someone makes 20% but their account drew down 60%, that's not a good return on risk. Now, so far, I've been sharing my real P&L on this channel since August of 2019 consistently on schedule, even through the COVID crash. And I've turned $110,000 into $170,000. Now, I'm able to trade this way partially due to the specific secret trade structure I use that you can only learn about from a course from Ron Bertino. I took this trade structure and created specific trading rules around it to create an easy to implement system that is profitable in any market environment. I learned the trade structure in Ron Bertino's group, of which I am an affiliate. And if you use my affiliate link to take the course and then join the mastermind group, I will send you a trade almost identical to the synthetic dragon. Now, I've also created what I might call a mini version of the synthetic dragon that can be traded in a small sized account as small as $6,000. And this trade is not as efficient, but it has a proven track record. And I call this trade the 5-step. And this trade is much easier to learn and implement than the synthetic dragon. And the worst case scenario is that you can learn how successful options traders trade without losing money. Now, I can never guarantee people won't lose money trading. And I have had 1 or maybe 2 students out of hundreds lose a tiny amount of money with the system so far, but that's because they did not execute the trade properly. Think of it like this. You can learn how successful options traders trade without losing money and even make money, like a lot of my students have. Now, also, the system is a great stepping stone to eventually graduate to the synthetic dragon type system. These systems are not only a proven money-making edge, but what about your time? Would you rather have a system that actually creates time for you so you can do whatever you want when you want, stress-free? Or would you prefer trying to make money in front of a computer all day, like a job, day trading, full of stress? I'll make a popular claim that day trading works, even though that is unproven. But anyways, if it did work, why would you put the time and effort in to learn about day trading? If you could trade the way that I just showed you, which has also been proven by me to be successful, and it creates time. I'll leave a link in the description for the 5-step, and also don't forget I have a link in the description for Ron Bertino's course.